Hello, my name is Christian Onassis. I am a medical esthetician working in the plastic surgery and cosmetic dermatology field, with particular interest and experience with the clinical application of medical lasers, chemicals, and pharmaceutical-grade skincare. And I'd like to welcome you to a video discussing my take on a topic I've received a lot of questions about: LED light therapy. There is an awful lot to understand when it comes to LED light therapy. First of all, there is some very impressive and solid research done by NASA in the use of LED light therapy for healing human skin in the difficult environment on the International Space Station. If I remember correctly, the study required a daily use of the light for 15 minutes, 3 times a day, for 3 months. Next, the LED light that is emitted needs to be measured to the exact nanometer, depending on your target and issue, not just some random color. For instance, when you use a blue light-emitting diode, it needs to be measured at exactly 420 nanometers to achieve effective therapeutic benefits to effectively treat acne. Do I think LED light therapy works? Absolutely, with the correct and consistent usage and the exact measurement of emitted light. Now, it is my opinion that any company making an LED light therapy tool for the general public, such as an over-the-counter consumer product and device manufacturer, a company that is most often found in a drugstore, department store, or beauty product retailer, is promoting a product that is not much more than a toy. There is a very, very slim chance that they are putting the time and money into the research required to provide the exact measurement of light to achieve the benefits they promote. And why do I suspect this? For one, if they put that type of time and money into the research, they would have their peer-reviewed, double-blind placebo, clinical white paper study distributed and plastered everywhere, showing the evidence. Not to mention the equipment would likely retail in the $20,000 to $60,000 range. But the vast majority of people are not going to understand the science, nor do they really care about the science. Not to be misunderstood, the company is not technically lying. They are basically riding the wave of someone else's research, kind of like saying, well, this similar equipment successfully treated for X condition, and we believe ours will do the same. Basically, the only way they would likely receive any negative attention from the FDA for these types of claims is if it hurts somebody, and that is very, very unlikely to ever happen. Because, at that point, you are basically just shining a flashlight on your face. Also, somebody would likely have to spend the money to disprove their anecdotal evidence-based claims, and nobody is likely going to do that, because they have nothing to gain, and would spend a lot of time and money for nothing. And in most professionals' opinion, that would and could do something about it. There is no physical harm, only misleading and unfounded claims. You would think that at this point in my life I would learn to just give a short answer, but this is the vein of my existence. I just can't do that. So in conclusion, basically what this company is doing is throwing out a few very attractive sounding claims and banking on the fact that 99.9% of people are not going to know the difference, nor care. Also, nobody is getting hurt. Thank you, and I hope my viewpoint is helpful, assisting you in making a decision.